Tim. I'm a consumer rep from Perth and a member of the Audiology Ethics Review Committee.
I'm Jasna Bruce. I'm an Audiology Australia member of the Ethics Review Committee.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I hope you can help me. I'm just so frustrated. The other day I went to this audiologist or a health provider or somebody like that down the street there, and she was rude, she wasn't particularly helpful. She made me do this test which was very noisy and I couldn't really tell what was going on, and it came out and she said, okay, it's going to cost you $12,000 for some hearing aids, and I'm just not satisfied. I want to complain and I want someone to actually test my hearing properly because I don't think my hearing's that bad.
That's terrible. How angry did you feel?
Extremely. I'm still angry and it's 2 days ago.
Yeah, I can see you're very angry. Service providers like that just do no justice to our profession. It sounds very unprofessional.
Yeah, well, my daughter said, just don't bother, Dad, stay away from them, but I know I do have a bit of hearing loss, so I just need to get some proper advice.
Sounds like you don't trust that provider at all.
No, that's why I'm here.
Well, do you want me to put in a complaint for you?
Yeah, put in a complaint, tell the world, I'm not happy.
Yeah, these sort of people really do need to be pulled up.
Good morning, how are you today?
Oh, good morning. I'm very well. And yourself?
I'm not too bad, but I'm upset. The other day I went to see a hearing provider up the street there and I wasn't happy. They were rude, they pushed me around, stuck me in a booth, made me do this test. It's very noisy, I couldn't really hear what was going on, what it was all about. And then they said, okay, it's going to cost you $12,000 for a hearing aid. Now I want to complain about that and I want a second opinion because I don't think my hearing is that bad.
Oh, I'm so sorry that you weren't satisfied with what you had. Sounds like you're very upset about it.
I am indeed, yes. I want to take it and tell the world.
Look, I'm happy to give you a second opinion, but as far as your dissatisfaction with what you went through, I can give you the name and email and phone number of someone you can speak to about this and who can guide you through making a complaint, if you like, at the Ethics Review Committee.
And are they going to take this person off the list to stop them practicing because it was rubbish?
Well, I can understand you're upset, but they will need to look into it and they will listen to everything you say, and of course they'd have to approach the other party as well and get their comment on this as well. So I really can't comment about what the outcome would be.
But that sounds like, I might get some satisfaction, so can you do that for me?
Well, it's best if you do it because you were the person that was impacted. Do you have any problems with contacting this person yourself?
No, but I don't understand some of the technical terms and things, so if you can help me, that would be great.
Well, they will be very helpful to you, but have a go at calling them first, and if you're really having difficulty with that, I'm happy to assist you with that, but I would need your consent and we'll still need to have your name on there somewhere.
Yeah, I'd be happy for you to do that, but okay, well, I'll try that, but okay, so let's do a test and let's see what you think, yeah.